Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make Google Drive link with password. So let's say for example, you want to create a Google Drive but you don't want everyone to have access to it when you share the link. So you are going to share the link to a specific person, but if they should forward it to someone else, you want that person to be unable to see it. All you'll need to do, once you have uploaded your file, and to upload it, you'll tap on New in the top left hand corner. Then you can select File Upload and you could upload whatever you would like to share. So let's say for example this PDF. Once you have uploaded it, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the file name. Then from there, you're going to see the option File Information. You're going to hover over that and you're going to tap on Locked. Then you're going to tap on Lock. Once you see the lock icon appear, you can tap on the three dots, and then from there you could select share and you could tap on copy link. After you have selected copy link, you can select the individual that you would like to share it with. So let's say for example I were to select an individual right here, and I'm just going to paste it in. You can see right here you need access, so all they'll need to do now, they'll have to type in a message, tap on request access, and I will receive that message in email, and then once I grant them access, they'll be able to view it. So even if they would like to share this link with someone else, I will know, as that person will not have access to it unless I choose to grant them access. And that's how you'll be able to secure your Google Drive links, or how to put a password on it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button